I'm Bertrand Techman. Welcome to my channel, where we review all kinds of tech and enjoy doing it. Now, before we get busy, help a tech brother out. Hit that subscribe button. It helps me to help you. Apple just came out with a new Magsafe battery, and the reviews are not so good. To be honest, many are half the price, but just as nice, if not better. So, in this video, we're going to review the Mophie Snap Plus Juice Pack Mini, the Juice Pack Connect little wireless brother. Now, I do have a video on the Juice Pack Connect, and you can check it out if you want to. So, let's check it out.
Get strong.
First of all, let's find out what comes inside the box. So inside the box you got the power station, quick start guide, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, one snap adapter, and one install kit. Okay, so let's talk about the design. This Mophie Snap Juice Pack Mini is extremely compact. It measures at 2.64 by 4.41 by 0.49 inches. The outside includes textured fabric patterns that is very easy to clean and very comfortable to grasp with added grip. The Mophie logo is lightly engraved on the front, while the magnetic ring and the vertical strip, along with the 500 milliamp information as well as FCC information, is engraved on the back. On the sides, you have a gunmetal aluminum, giving it really a very sleek and contemporary appearance. Now, on the bottom, you have your power on button. In the middle, you have your USB-C port, and then on the end, you have your LED indicators, 4 of them. Now, this magnetic strip array really aligns precisely with the iPhone 12 iterations. All of them except for the small one, the Mini. With the Mini, you're going to have a 4.8 millimeter overhang at the bottom, and you also may have some blockage of the camera at the top. Now, as far as the main features, it has 7.5 wireless charging. It has a 12 watt fast charge. The battery is 5,000 milliamps. It is designed to charge in a snap, and it will give you up to 100% extra charge. You press the on off button and you'll see the indicator lights light up. You have 4 of them. And it ranges from 20 up to 25%, up to 50%, up to 75, to up to 100%. It will work with any Qi type charging phones that have that type of system on them. You just got to make sure that the case is thin enough that it's not going to prevent the charge from coming through. So it does have a pass-through charge on it. To install it on non-Magsafe batteries, but the ones that are Qi enabled, you use the snap adapter. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean your phone. Get it free from dust. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your guide. Now when you take your guide, you want to place it so that everything is matching up. In other words, the corners and the sides. So here this would be at about 2. So that means I would want it 2 down here. Place it in the center. Make sure that it's firmly attached. And you see the glassy side is up. Press it down nice and firm all the way around to make sure you get a good seal. Now we want to test it and see how it works. Okay, so you take your Magsafe battery. It automatically went to it. And let's see if it is charging. And boom shakalaka, it is charging. Okay, so to show you how much room, how much space that you have in between it and it's still charging, you see you got, whoa, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch. But you see how much space that you have on it for the charge. So this is how you would use it for a non-Magsafe battery. And this is my Pixel. And you can see that it is charging and it works well. Now the grip is pretty firm. Now, in comparison to the anchors, you can see the size difference. It's a lot thinner, it's a lot longer, but it feels just a little bit more comfortable than the anchor does. And like I said, this one will fit in your pocket quite nicely, whereas this one you'll have some issues. Now as far as the grip, the anchor grip is pretty good as well. This grip is good too. It feels just maybe a little bit firmer. So my final thoughts: the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good is, for the iPhone 12 user, this Mophie Snap Plus Juice Mini is a great compact battery pack. The sleek design is well thought out, combined with the ease of use and the ability to get a 12-watt fast charge using the USB-C type cable provided, makes it a great choice. And you can even fit it inside your pocket, and the magnet will hold. Now, as far as the bad is concerned, like others, they failed to provide a charging adapter like the Anker Nano 20-watt adapter that I use. That's the bad. But now as far as the ugly is concerned, now based on the primary reason for getting this type of battery in the first place is for the wireless charge. Now the wireless charge on this, it only charges an output of 7.5 watts. The Apple Magsafe battery charges double that at 15 watts. Now this is probably Apple's fault. I suspect that they limit all third-party producers from that tech. And as far as the ugly is concerned, and this is something that I came in contact with here recently, is this ring. For some reason, when I placed it on the back of my Pixel 4 XL, it didn't stay, as you can see. So this is ugly. And this might be for those who are that don't have a iPhone 12, this might be a deal breaker. But as far as I'm concerned, My primary use will be, of course, for the iPhone 12. So in that case, I would recommend it. But if you're going to use it for the Ring, I don't think the Ring is so good. Despite all the weaknesses that I have found, I think it's a great battery for those who might need a little something to get them over the hump, or for those who want a full charge but are not really in a hurry to get it. Now, I got mine for less than $50, 5 cents less than $50 from Zag, and link will be in the description below. So if you found value in this review, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this review to others. Subscribe. It helps me to grow this channel and give you more information. Ring that bell to see my next video when it drops, and comment. Tell me how I'm doing. Tell me which one you will get. Either this one, the Anchor, or the Apple's Magsafe, or maybe one that I don't know about. I'm Bertrand Tech Man. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Be strong.